Sinasabi mo ngayon, klaruhin mo, wala kayong capability, wala kayong system na ma-retrieve yung mga text messages namin?
Wala po.
Are you sure?
Yes. We're just providing connectivity po.
Wow, wow, wow.
So,
ako
content
Mr. Tubayan,
Yes.
Atty. Tubayan, hindi ako ganun ka-expert sa IT, ha? Pero alam ko yan. Huwag mo kami lukuhin dito na hindi ma-record doon sa system ninyo yung mga text messages namin. Ayaw, do not tell us, do not fool us.
At yun nga mga kabayan, sa pagpapatuloy nga ng hearing patungkol nga dito sa pag-ambush sa Vice Mayor ng Apari ay pinatawag nga ni Senator Bato de la Rosa ang Globe Telecom para nga ma-retrieve yung mga messages ng mastermind na nag-ambush kay Vice Mayor ng Apari. Dito nga ay sumalang ang representative ng Globe at dito nga siya ay in-interview ni Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ayon nga kay Senator Bato de la Rosa, kanya nga pinare-retrieve yung palitan ng messages ng mga suspect at ng mastermind ng pag-ambush kay Vice Mayor. Ngunit hindi pumayag ang Globe na makuha nga yung mga palitan ng messages ng dalawa dahil ayon nga sa kanila ay wala daw silang kapasidad para ma-retrieve ito. Ngunit sinopla nga siya ni Senator Bato de la Rosa dahil alam naman natin na dating Chief PNP si Senator Bato de la Rosa at alam niya yung mga galawan ng kanyang mga intelligence unit. Isa na nga rito ang pag-recover sa mga messages sa mga cellphone na gamit nga ng mga suspect. Kaya nga ayon kay Senator Bato de la Rosa, wag nga daw silang pinaglololoko nitong Globe. Ngunit para bang tinatawanan pa siya nitong Globe representative at sinasabing wala daw talaga silang kayang gawin para ma-retrieve ang sinasabing mga messages. Sa tingin mo kabayan, may tinatago ang Globe Telecom kung kaya't ayaw nilang ilabas ang mga palitan ng messages ng suspect at ng mastermind? Comment nyo nga yun sa baba at huwag nyo nga kalimutang i-hit ang like at subscribe button para updated ka sa mga uploads ko araw-araw. Kabayan, panoorin natin ang kabuuan ng video ito.
Hindi alam ng korte yung ginagawa niya? Hindi alam ng judge?
Alam ng judge po yan, Mr. Senator, pero sa amin kasi wala talaga pong kahit sinong service provider, hindi po kinokollect ang content data. Yung mga messages, hindi po kinokollect yun. Kasi aside from that issue on
Okay, so
privacy,
number one, settle na tayo sa issue that you are not prevented. The Data Privacy Act is not preventing you from providing such data.
if we have the
You
data.
agree with that?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, if we have the data, Mr. Chairman. But
No. Regardless,
Yeah,
whether
okay.
or not nandiyan kayo data, you
Yes.
cannot use the Data Privacy Act as your shield against this court order.
That-
Pareho tayo ng understanding.
that is correct, Mr.
That is
Chair.
correct.
That is correct.
Yeah.
But-
So, okay.
Okay.
Hindi nyo pwede gawing panangga yung Data Privacy Act.
That's correct.
Number two,
Oh.
to the issue na sinabi mo na your system, you don't have a system to store yung mga text messages, eavesdropping or whatever issues like that. Basta, sinasabi mo ngayon, klaruhin mo, wala kayong capability, wala kayong system na ma-retrieve yung mga text messages namin?
Wala po.
Are you sure?
Yes. Opo. Actually, yung mga retrieval ng text messages, nasa phone mismo yon. It's computer data. So, it's either the sender or the receiver may retrieve those content. Kasi yung content po resides in the device.
Yes, nasa device. Pero
Okay.
lahat man yan dadaan sa system ninyo. Hindi pa yan ma-record doon.
Mr. Senator, we're just providing connectivity.
Ha?
We're just providing connectivity po.
Wow, wow, wow.
So,
ako
content without...
Mr. Tubayan,
Yes.
Atty. Tubayan, hindi ako ganun ka-expert sa IT, ha? Pero alam ko yan. Huwag mo kami lukuhin dito na hindi ma-record doon sa system ninyo yung mga text messages namin. Ayaw, do not tell us, do not fool us.
That's, Mr. Senator, I'm telling what I know. And yun po ang kalakaran talaga sa telco. Wala po talagang nagpre-preserve ng mga text messages. Remember, we're the text capital of the world. Kung i-preserve po namin lahat yan, napakadaming resources ang kailangan. So, hindi po talaga namin preserve ang SMS.
Oh, hindi pinipreserve. Granting hindi pinipreserve. Pero wala, is there no way within your system na makaretrieve tayo? Bigay ko sa yung number. Makaretrieve tayo ng text messages niya.
Ang
Coming from the mastermind of that crime. Giving orders to the gunmen, to the ones who perpetrated the crimes.
Yes.
Dalawang cellphone, nag-uusap, hindi ma-recover dyan sa system ninyo, ay hindi ako maniwala.
Ang marirecover po are the logs, the traffic data, which means yung date and time of sending, on ilang beses nag-send, yun po, and sinong pinag-sendan na number, yun po na meron po kamukha. Traffic data po, not content data.
Alam mo, sir, I would not insist on giving you some details or giving you some names. Otherwise, marami makukompromise dito. May makukompromise. Pero alam ko, marirecover yan sa inyo. I've been a retired police officer. I've been working with the intelligence community. I've been fighting terrorism. Alam ko yan lahat-lahat yan. Alam ko, nandyan yan sa inyo. Alam ko, nandyan yan. Pero I don't want to compromise anything here. But imposible naman. System ninyo hindi ma-recover yung hanggang kuwan lang kayo, hanggang traffic data lang kayo, walang content data. It's hard to believe. It's hard to believe.
I cannot do anything about the disbelief, Mr. Senator, but that's the fact, and that's the fact that's made known to me by our technical team. And what we really can provide only are the traffic data, the call logs, CDR, what do you call it? It's called the call detail records, Mr. Chair.
Well, ito, sabi mo, traffic data lang may ibigay nyo. Ako ngayon, tumawag ako sa'yo, o nag-text ako sa'yo, ikaw, nagsumagot ka sa akin. So, na-record doon yung call data, na-record. Yung pag-send ko at pagka-receive mo at saka pag-respond mo, natanggap ko rin dito. Yun na-record din nyo, pero
Tama
yung
po.
sinend na mensahe, hindi nyo na-record.
Hindi po, hindi po nire-record yan. Kahit po, siguro, some of our...
Kahit na mag-exert kayo ng effort na ma-record, ma-recover, wala?
Wala po. Actually, meron pong paraan yan.
Meron pala.
Pero hindi po sa network namin. Actually, napakinggan ko lang dito sa Senate hearings din po yun, sa Justice Committee before, under Senator Gordon. One of the resource persons there mentioned of an application whereby text messages may be recovered either from the sender or from the receiver. There's an application po na i-install, pwedeng ma-recover na lahat po yun.
So wala kayong app na yan?
Wala po.
Hindi nyo
po.
kaya yan?
Doon po sa receiver and sender po yan. Pero sa amin kasi we only provide the connectivity and the logs.
Basta ako, alam ko, pwede recover din sa inyo. Sa loob ninyo. Loob ninyo. Pwede recover yan. You know why? Basta alam ko, pwede recover yan sa loob ninyo. Pero ayaw ko lang magsalita dito ng marami makompromise. Pero alam ko, pwede yan eh. Sino bang kuhan dyan? May kasama ka bang taga-technical sector nyo?
Unfortunately, ako lang po.
Ikaw lang?
Mr. Chairman.
Legal ka lang. Sa legal ka, di ba?
Policy po.
Policy. Alam mo, sige. I think marami pa tayong gagawin dito. Ha? DICT? DICT. Meron ba tayong DICT dito? Yes, go ahead, Senator Pimentel.
Okay, Mr. Tubayan, are you a lawyer?
Yes,
sa Banyero?
Mr. Senator.
Apa. Agree ka sa opinion ng NPC that it is not against the law to retain the text messages and even to disclose them if upon court order? Agree pa tayo doon, di ba?
We agree,
Yes,
Mr. Chairman.
except that you don't
Yes,
collect
we don't
the
have.
data.
Yes.
Is that a business judgment?
I think so, Mr. Chair and Mr. Senator, because one, aside from at the time when that was implemented, we're all thinking of this might probably violate privacy because anyone from Globe will be able to see text messages from any citizen being sent from one to another. Second, it will consume a lot of resources if we store this in some data warehouse, Mr. Senator.
Po, yan pong parang ang pagkaintindi ko, Mr. Chairman. Hindi bawal except that they opted as a business not to. Sabi nila, it's a business judgment nila na not to do it dahil sa gastos sa resources, siguro yung ano ba yan, servers or hard drives ang kailangan dyan, plus may risk daw, Mr. Chairman, na baka yung empleyado will without authority access the information and leak it. They balik din sa Globe yun. So at least we heard your point of view. At least na-establish din natin ngayon na hindi naman bawal gawin yon, and if upon court order or a proper order, hindi rin bawal to disclose the content. Salamat po, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Minority Leader. So what if mag-formulate kami ng batas, mag-pass kami ng batas requiring you to store kahit na text messages lang?
Well,
Can you do it?
we will submit to the sovereign will of the people as represented by the honorable senators.
Yeah, because ako, hindi ako abogado ha. Hindi ako abogado, pero kayong Globe, kukonsensyahin ko kayo na maawa naman kayo, tumulong naman kayo sa gobyerno na masolve itong mga kaso dito. Kaya naglipa na ang krimen dahil apparently yung people like you from the private sector are not cooperating with us as far as solving crimes and preventing crimes. Sana kahit na sinasabi mo na wala sa system nyo, hindi ako naniniwala. Kung gusto talaga ninyo, may paraan yan. May paraan yan. If you want to follow the court order, kaya ninyong gawin yan. But anyway, gagawa kami ng batas. Gagawin kami ng batas na i-require kayo na pag kinakailangan ng investigating agency, yung warrant to disclose computer data, including the content. So dapat you have to restore, you have to store the contents of communications. Kahit na text messages lang.
Well, we submit to the wisdom of the legislature, Mr. Chairman.
Okay,
But
we will do that.
as an aside also, if there's an active investigation, actually, it's part of the warrant to disclose yan eh. If they want to tap, di ba? Meron po yan eh. I don't know. Kasi ito, if it's after the fact po, wala po.
After the fact na nga eh. After the fact na nga, kaya kailangan namin ma-retrieve yung content data ng cellphone number ng mayor. So yun ang hinahabol ng mga investigador. Kasi alam mo, yes, go ahead, Senator Gatchalian.
On the same topic, I was asking Senator Pimentel, but is it technically possible to store? Is that there's no technological limitations to store all texts of everyone? That's possible?
I think it's technically possible, but it's really a matter of resources, Mr. Chairman.
And
It will entail a lot of cost to store a billion text messages sent every day.
And since the inception of Globe never stored any of the text messages of its clients.
As far as I know, Mr. Chair.
How about I saw a new trend, no? The advent of messaging or internet messaging or instant messaging. I think that's the right term. For example, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, all of these things, Signal. Can Globe store those as well?
Mr. Chair, it's the app itself stores it.
Yes.
So we
but can-
don't store, because these are over-the-top applications. So storage is on the servers of the applications like WhatsApp and Viber, Mr. Chair.
So if ever we will also demand information, no, text messages from those applications, who do we contact? Is it the application company, the instant messenger company?
Yes, Mr. Chair. It's really the applications.
Can Globe contact them on our behalf? Is
We
that
do not
possible?
have a privity of contract with them, Mr. Chair. We only provide, as I said, we only provide the connectivity to enable subscribers to connect to the internet.
And do you know whether they also store messages, those applications?
I think based on the just like text messages, the receiver or the sender, the phone of the receiver or the sender may store those
How about the
exchanges.
application? For example, Facebook. No, diba Facebook, they have Facebook Messenger. Can Facebook store all the communication?
I believe so, Mr. Chair, because there are well, based on my limited experience with Facebook, you can also retrieve old messages from your
if we
Facebook.
contact Facebook, they can supply us with the communication between the people involved.
I believe so, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, yeah. But I'm just asking those questions, basic questions, because I see in the provinces, Facebook Messenger is very popular. No?
Yes, Mr. Chair. And besides, Facebook and other applications have super storage. I think they're called hyperscalers because they have a lot of storage space.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yes, go ahead, Senator
Mr.
President.
Chairman, Attorney, how about the possible location of the device? Kaya nyo? Kasama ba yon sa warrant na hiningi?
I think I don't know if it's covered by the warrant. I don't recall, but
But if it is, should it be asked? Kaya nyo? Location,
as
possible
yeah,
location.
I think at a given point in time, because these are mobile phones. So if the warrant includes the specific time and place, or no, I mean the specific time, then we can potentially
Yes.
locate it based on the nearest cell site
Correct.
where that message was sent.
So yeah, basta the telco can give us the possible location of the device which sent and which received. Tama po. Apa. Tama po yan?
Tama po, Mr.
Apa.
Chair.
Kasi Mr. Chairman, ang nakikita ko sa ibang jurisdictions, ginagamit na nila yan eh. Sabi nila that the ping to your cellphone place you at the place where the crime was committed. Parang ganun eh. So,
Correct.
yes, so
Yeah, we have-
at least kaya na ng telcos natin. Thank you.
So we will include that. We will include that in our proposals. This committee will make sure that the connectivity that you provide is connected to accountability, responsibility, and even liability. Connectivity plus responsibility plus accountability and liability. Sana nagnegosyo na ba lang kayo dyan ng ganyan, dapat kasama yan sa corporate social responsibility nyo na to cater to the needs of our law enforcement sector. We hope that you will do that. Anyway, yes, go ahead.
Sir, doon sa question ni Sir Pimentel, actually doon sa traffic data, nakalagay talaga doon yung location ng tumawag at saka yung tinawagan.
Binigay nila?
Yes, sir.
Binigay nila?
Yes, sir. Actual location, sir, nakalagay naman talaga doon, sir.
So-
Doon, sir, follow-up
Yeah, go ahead.
question kay
Dito ka
Globe,
na
sir.
magtanong sa akin. Ako na magtanong sa kanya.
May sinasabi si Globe, sir, na application na pwedeng ma-save yung content data. Baka pwedeng sabihin na sa atin, sir, kung anong application yun para...
Yes, Globe.
Yes,
Sinabi
Mr.
ka
Chair.
na kayo na. Bigay mo sa amin.
Yes, actually I can say it
Katulong
now.
ka.
And then I'll just say that, just to qualify, it's based on what I saw in one of the hearings before before another committee. It's the Doctor Phone application. Doctor Phone daw.
Doctor Phone.
Doctor Phone.
Doctor
Doctor, F-O-A-N-E.
Thank you.
FOA.
FONE po.
FOA.
NE.
NE.
So if you get hold of the sender's or receiver's phone number, you can possibly retrieve all the text messages there.
Alam mo, maganda sana yan, pero the next question that will follow is that yung admissibility in court niyan, yung apps na yan, mas maganda yung galing talaga sa inyo dahil talagang legitimate entity kayo na pwede naming magamit yung official records coming from you, magamit yan sa korte. Pero yung apps na yan, we don't know as far as the admissibility in court kung gagawin niyang evidence sa kasong ito. So another problem. So we hope we can help us. You can help us.
I just want to add, Mr. Chair, as to admissibility. Kasi babalik po yun lahat ng mga na-delete na messages po. So mag-appear po yun sa mismong phone, sa device po ng receiver or the sender.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, one last question. Would it be possible, sir, na halimbawa, i-download namin yung doctor phone and then ibigay namin sa Globe for them to retrieve yung content data para wala kaming ma-violate, sir?
Okay. You want to respond? Claude?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Hindi po pwede kasi wala sa amin po yung yung phone, yung device. Dapat po i-retrieve yun, i-install yung doctor phone doon sa device ng receiver or the sender para ma-retrieve ang mga deleted text messages. Hindi po rin sa amin.
So, mangyari yan kapag mag-volunteer si Mayor na ibigay niya yung cellphone niya sa komite. Then, para ma-examine.
Pwede po yun kung
What
hindi
do you
niya
think, Mayor?
pwede po yun kung hindi ni-reset yung phone.
Ha?
Pag hindi po ni-restart yung phone at I think pwede lang yon kapag hindi ni-restart or ni-delete lahat.
Na-reset?
Pag ni-reset po.
So, meaning,
Kasi parang wala na yun eh.
Wala na.
Back to zero eh. Pag hindi, pag hindi na-reset yun, nakuha agad yung phone, pwede po yun.
so hindi ka na namin tanungin, Mayor. Huwag na. Kasi baka na-reset na yung cellphone. Wala na. Useless na yung aming effort. You want to add? Okay na? So, we will do that. We will do that. Globe, hindi ako galit sa inyo, ha? Baka mamaya sabihin nyo, galit ako sa inyo. In fact, laki ng binabayaran ko sa inyo sa aking cellphone. Ha? Wala man lang discount kahit kunti. Pero malaking binabayaran ko, pero ang akin lang, being the chairman of this committee, I want to see results of the committee investigations that we are kaya nga pumunta sa amin itong 6 na asawa ng namatayan dahil hirap sa kumuha ng hustisya. Nagpatulong sa atin dito na makakuha ng hustisya. Kaya sana kayo rin, ganun din ang pagtingin ninyo sa situation. Hindi natin gayahin yung ibang kumpanya na mas or entities na mas pinapaboran pa yung rights ng mga killers kaysa doon sa mga biktima. Ha?
Tama po.
Yun lang, pangonsensya lang ito sa amin sa
Yes,
inyo.
salamat po, Mr.
Tulungan
Chair.
tayo, ha?
Magtulungan po tayo. In fact, natutuwa nga po ako dahil kayo po ay nagsalita po sa Globe before. Merong event po doon. Natuwa nga po kami sa inyong mensahe noon.
Binabalikan mo ako kagad, ha?
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, mabait man yung mga boss ninyo. Pinupunta ako noon, but ito'y trabaho lang. Walang personalan, ha? Pasensya na kayo. We were friends before, and up to now, we are very good friends. But pagdating sa trabaho dito, I'm willing to burn any bridge of friendship kung hindi tayo sumunod sa nire-require ng committee. Because I have to protect the image of this institution. Kailangan gawin namin yung mandato namin. Hindi lang yung reputasyon namin, kundi talagang yung hustisya para sa mga nangamatay. Yan ang aming habol dito. Thank you, Attorney.